Hello everyone, Christopher here with McWane Science Center, and welcome back to SciSparks. In today's episode, we'll explore the vacuum of space without even leaving this room. Stay tuned to find out how. Now, in a previous video, I talked about air pressure. In that video, we saw how air presses in on us with enough force to literally crush a can. But what would life be like without all that pressure? One way to find out would be to go to outer space, where there's little to no air. No air, no air pressure. Another way to find out is with this. This is a vacuum pump, and it's designed to turn the space in this jar into a vacuum. Remember, a vacuum is a space that's free of all matter, including air. And while my pump might not be able to create a total vacuum, it can get pretty close. But what's it like inside a vacuum? To find out, watch what happens to this balloon. Look! As soon as air is removed from the chamber, the balloon gets bigger. But why? Air pressure affects our balloon in two opposing ways. There's air inside the balloon pushing outward, and there's air outside the balloon pushing inward. When the outside air pressure is removed, the air inside the balloon is allowed to expand. To put it differently, if the balance of pressures in and around this balloon is like an evenly matched game of tug-of-war, then this is what happens when one side lets go. And here's the thing. This will happen to anything that contains air, if the container is weak enough. Like this bottle, a marshmallow, shaving cream, and the human body. Our bodies have evolved to live comfortably only under the pressure of our planet's atmosphere. To leave our planet behind, we use pressurized rockets and pressurized spacesuits, because without those, well, let's just say homesickness would be the least of your worries. Well, that's it for today. If you enjoyed today's episode, let us know by giving us a like. And to see more like it, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye!